So, when practicing stuff that requires you to use your own energies in order to do stuff, one of the amazing things people enjoy doing is not using their energy to do stuff. Like, not using their money to do stuff, not using their house to have a wild, crazy party that they would have to clean up. So, we're going to simply realize what we're already doing and call that learning. And what we're going to do is relocate energy of the earth to wherever else. And let's choose it to be in our room or around us. And then I'll probably teach how to absorb the energy, which I don't need to. I'll just rephrase the information, and then you'll be all like, oh, I already do that. Yay. Because chaos magic is incredibly simple to comprehend. I mean, the whole, the doing, I mean, it's so simple to comprehend. It just seems like it's so simple to do, which, I mean, for me, I guess I'm jaded since I've always. But, anyways, okay, well, there's so many ways to start. Well, let's go with the just, the basics. Acknowledge that there's an earth if you want, I guess. I don't think that's a step, though. But basically, just locate the earth. Oh, you don't need to. Yay. Now, just become more aware of the energies that you want from the earth. Oh, you don't need to because you've been since forever aware. Since you've been living on earth, feeling the energies, not naming them or titling them or labeling them, but you're aware of the vibrations and how they affect and, all that stuff. And, subconsciously, you know a lot more information than you think you know. So, all you really have to do is, oh my gosh, I'm on Earth. What kind of energies do I want from literally this planet Earth that's in space, not floating because it's space. It's just there in space. And that's it basically. Your subconscious knows how to do the rest. So, direct your focus to the Earth and then want the types of energies that you want. And then want them where you want them to be wanted, such as probably in your room or wherever it is your human body or alien body or whatever body you're using is. Yeah, that's basically it. That's basically it. It's no different than just redirecting your focus from one hand to the other hand. You're going to become more aware of the energy you're distributing. So you just refocus portions of the earth energy to wherever you want it to be. And that's that. And since you're already familiar with said energies, it should be incredibly easy for you to subconsciously already know how to operate and reprogram and reoperate and reconfigure and alter said energies. So if they're not, exactly the energies you want, who cares? You already know the energies you want. Just alter. That's it. And you can use your imagination to basically daydream the process happening as you're actually doing it, so that way you're not bored. Because if you get bored in your human body's going to be like, thoughts, la 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 la, entertainment, mental stimuli. Yes, I'm interrupting you because you bore me. I need to feel like I'm doing things, la 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 la. So that's what the imaginating is for. I mean, yeah, sure, you can do it without it, but a lot of humans find it very tediously boring. Boring rhetoric. So, make things fun while doing very simple, non complex things that you don't actually need to learn how to do what you already. I'm not going to teach you how to breathe. That's impossible. You're already doing it. I can teach you different ways of breathing, but I can't teach you how to breathe because you're already doing it. You already know. You're not ignorant about it. So, yay! You achieved another easy task you've always been doing since forever. Yeah. Oh, now let's talk about absorbing the energy. Just relocate it from wherever it is to inside. And then operate it however you please to your knowledge. And that's that. You don't have to think about it because that's just it's not a requirement. You don't have to focus hard or at all or try. I mean, you're already focusing. You don't need to apply any more than your most laziest bare minimums of focus. The focus is basically just so you can experience it faster sooner, instead of a delayed effect. Because with the human body, a lot of things are delayed effects, because it gives your human body time to move energies around, be affected by said energies. Just think about computers and all the background processes. That's basically the subconscious going so fast, it has no time to smell those flowers and feel those emotions. But the conscious does because it doesn't go that fast. So, while you're looking at this video, there's tons of ones and zeros just telling each pixel what to do. But you obviously don't need to know that information actively or even know how to communicate it because you already know it exists and a portion of said operation. So, yeah, chaos magic is basically just only the requirements, just the requirements, and that's it. It's not special. It isn't some mystical, magical mystery. You don't need to be some saint guru. You can be super lazy, uncaring, not moved, indifferent, and you can still do it. It's like flipping a light switch. As soon as you know how to bake that cake, or as soon as you know how to flip that light switch, it's like, do I need to think? No, blam, flipped. But if you lessen your awareness of how your body feels, then you're just feeling less stuff. And that could be boring. And if boredom is all like, hey, what's going on here? You guys bored enough yet? Well, that's horrible. Because now you're bored. And that has nothing to do with the process. So use that imagination to entertain yourself. And it doesn't matter how you imagine the effects happening. I mean, for style, if you're going for style points, if you want it to look more bluish or something, I mean, it's like, you can bake a cake in so many ways, so many flavors, so many types of cakes. You don't have to use the same food coloring. You don't have to use any reasons. It's incredibly, you're already most likely doing something like that already. Yeah. But yeah, and also you can use that simple redistribution process of energy with many energy objects, people, life forms, inanimate objects, batteries. But I mean, physical batteries, so-called physical batteries, could take much longer. And I mean, it's not like you run on that exact electricity. Human bodies and other bodies, they electricity, electrical currents, stuff like that. But yeah, definitely enjoy.